Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today to come to you with the new Hipdot Addams Family Palette. They had a whole collection and this is what I grabbed. Inside it opens and these are the colors. Let me take that protective wrap off. Look at those stunning colors. I cannot wait to get into this. I have a couple of Hipdot palettes. I have some glitter palettes. I have the C Note palette. If you have any Hipdot palettes, comment below. But I just couldn't help it. I love the Addams Family. I haven't seen the new Addams Family 2. I guess it's a cartoon. I need to see that. But I wanted to jump on here today. Most of my face is on. I want to play with this. And the other new product that I want to play with is the new Makeup by Mario matte lipstick. I was in Sephora, was it yesterday? And they had just gotten it and I waited. I waited for them to pull it out. Didn't even have the display. I was so excited. So my eyes are primed. I will have everything that is on my face already below, but it's some of my very favorites. My Juvia's Place, my new favorite NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, but I will have it in the description box. So I'm wearing a silver type shirt, so I know I want to incorporate this. I think what I'm gonna do for the first time, so let me know if you're interested and I can do multiple looks with this palette, but I think for today I just want to go dark. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna be using a lot of these four colors. Maybe this one, just to blend out the crease, but we shall see. So let's jump into it. Let's swatch the palette first, because I want you to see these colors. Hipdot's formula is amazing. Here is the bottom shade called Beloved. I have Caramia. Beautiful, it's like a raspberry color. There's Moon, Cauldron. Look at that black. And then that was the bottom row, and now the top row, we've got Ghoul, Seance. That'll be a nice blending shade. Bones. I have to say I'm excited about that one. There's Bones. And then the last one is Ashes. Looks like a nice charcoal gray black. Beautiful. I'm gonna go in with Ashes because we're gonna build up this look. And I'm gonna start by patting this on the lid. We're gonna pat and then blend. So that's just the one color. That is beautiful. Let's do the same to the other side. That could be a one and done look. I like it. I want to see what this Cauldron does. So I'm going to put that on the lid. That is Cauldron. Oh my gosh, it's like ink. I love this. Holy macaroni. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is just stunning. This is one of the nicest blacks I've ever seen. We will blend that out. I think you lose the sparkle. I don't mind. Wow, I'm so super impressed. I'm gonna take a small brush and just go into that crease so we can make it nice and neat up in there where I couldn't reach. I can't get over this black. And go into a fluffier brush and just blow out that outer corner a little bit. I know my brush looks like it has purple on it. It just got stained. It is clean. I'm just stamping and then small circular motions just to smoke out that outer corner. Ugh, I almost don't want to touch it. It is just gorgeous. We can't be done though. We have to play with those shimmers, right? Just make sure you have your eyes closed to make sure that everything is blended appropriately. I just can't get over it. Do we go into the white or the silver? I say we go into the silver. I got a silver shirt on, we gotta match. So I'm gonna put some on my finger, like so, and I'm gonna go just in the center, the corner here. I'm gonna try to keep it tight, because I love that inky black, and I don't wanna, ooh, yes please. I think what I'll do is I'll take some of that ashes, which comes out a little more gray, and I'll use that to blend over these edges so that it blends a little bit nicer. Just using my finger. So we would like a easy transition from the silver to the black. Ooh, what to do on the bottom. But yeah, that's gorgeous. Maybe we'll take a little bit of that brown shade, Seance, and we'll go around the very edges of the eye, just to help with the edges blending. Lightest hand. Do we like? I think we do. Let's go into the bottom lash line. I'm going to start with the Ashes shade. I'm going to take some of that inky black, and I'm going to try to go real close to the lash line with it. Let's take a little bit of that white and put it in the inner corner. Tis intense. I feel like I want to take that silver over just a little bit more. Let's throw some liner on. This is my BH Power pencil. I'm going to just throw this in the waterline. Gonna throw some mascara and false lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. The mascara and lashes are on. I used my Sephora Size Up mascara and then the Kiss magnetic lashes that come with the liner. So that is what I have on. So these are magnetic. So let's jump into the lip, and I'm gonna start with my Colourpop pencil in the shade Control. And then I picked up one of the new Makeup by Mario matte lips. Beautiful magnetic packaging. Love the white. You know I love his matte palette. I want to try so much more from him, but this is the shade that I picked up. It is in the shade Garth. I love it. It is exactly what I was looking for. Normally I would let it set and then blot, but I'm going to throw a little bit of gloss on because we've got so much shimmer. Why not? Yeah, hardly anything comes off when I blot, which is what I wanted. Long wearing. It feels very comfortable on the lips. A nice velvet, opaque color. Lots of color choices to choose from. Let's go ahead and throw a little Essence Shine on top. And there you have it. I absolutely love this look. Thank you for joining me. That was a lot of fun. If you have not tried Hipdot's formula, I highly recommend that you do it. I think that this eye look is great. I cannot wait to play with the other colors. I think you could make a beautiful, simple eye look with that. While you're here, make sure you've hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you know when I upload, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Come have some fun with me playing with new makeup, with makeup that you may already have in your collection. I would love to have you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment so that I know that you were here, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.